We've included some important options in a menu that runs along the top of each scene to help you make adjustments. Moving from left to right, here's what each option does. B. The B is for bold. Just highlight your words and click this button to make them stand out from your normal text. I. This button will italicize any text that is highlighted. U. This button will underline any text that is highlighted. H. This button will hide any text on the scene and pop it just underneath the scene so you can keep track of it. Hide media. This will hide the media on your scene. Change text position. This option will show you a grid with available text positions for you to choose from. Simply select the layout that works best for your scene. Insert scene break. This will move any text after the cursor onto a new scene. Scene counter. Up here, you can see which scene you're on and how many total scenes your video contains. And finally, this trash can icon is the delete scene button. Also, if you have an image on your scene, you'll see these two extra options in the bar. Adjust background image. This option will allow you to zoom in or out and move an image around depending on the size of the image. Motion. This drop-down option is where you'll find the options for the Ken Burns effect, which allows you to pan across a still image to convey a sense of motion. You can zoom in, zoom out, or select none to keep the image static.